you're alive! Help a brother up.
We are not related.
Never mind.
If I still had that Chaos Emerald, I could have teleported out of here. But it's lost to the void. And smashing hordes of Sonics isn't the worst thing in the world.
Okay, we're getting close.
Who put that rock there?
Missed by a mile. What a noob.
Balderdash! Nobody'll be handling anything if we're all disintegrated! Dynamic! Watch where you're going, you lousy kids!
You watch where you're going, you squid-faced!
Rebel, what do we do?
You're asking her for advice? We're geniuses! Do you know how many years I spent in college?
Let the fools have their moment.
You know you're on speakerphone, right? Catfish! You okay?
Never better, my good lad. But who is this catfish you speak of?
Yoo-hoo! Over here!
We're gonna need to sneak past that thing if we want to cut off 9th and the prism. Ideas?
I've got one, but I'll need 4 rocks, 80 feet of vine, and a time machine.
My mother's got candies!
My video games!
My essential oils!
Hello, teamwork! Up top!
These troopers are one thing, but the alphas can generate an endless army. They are the real threat.
Gang, this is Shadow. Shadow, meet, well, everyone, I guess.
Without a great sacrifice, reality as we know it will be over.
Stand down, edgelord. I don't trust one hedgehog, let alone 2.
You haven't heard the last of me, Sonic!
You will pay for this in ways you'd never imagine. Yeah, I heard it 1,000,000 times, Eggy. And I can't wait for 1,000,001.
I never knew you were a hugger.
Do you want me to save you or not?
Huh? What do you think you're doing?
I'm just happy to see everyone. Even you, Eggy.
What? Stop that!
Should we do something? Not yet. This is like candy to me.
That is it! You're getting a timeout!
Prepare to be amazed, then deceased by the one and only Delight. We are not finished! No! How? I am the ultimate life form.